ears and go a snort.
Loud snort.
She'd splash in the water, then dance in the sunshine, her big belly jiggle.
When she'd inhale the
Hippo hop, hippo hey, splish splash, fun every day. Rollin', rollin' in the mud so squishy.
squish squish sound.
Grin so wide, looking so fishy. Her best friend was Timmy, a tiny pink flamingo. They'd sing la 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 by the old banyan tree. Hattie would laugh, ho ho ho, shake the whole jungle while birds flew away, going wee. Now stomp your feet, stomp, stomp. Clap your hands, clap, clap. Spin like Hattie, record scratch dizzy. Woo! One day Hattie found a big pile of cupcakes. She gobbled them up with a chomp, chomp, chomp. But icing stuck smack on her big hippo nose. Boing! Now she sneezes at you. Hippo hop, hippo hey, dance with Hattie. Disco bell ding. Muddy toes and a slurpy sound.